You are looking at the main screen of the SLPSoft interactive application modeling software. The software is used to model applications and projects before they're implemented, helping the project manager to form a clear picture of the project's various components, their relationships, and the flow of communication between them. This will help the project manager to share his or her vision of the project with others and anticipate any potential problems. The SLPSoft application modeler provides an easy-to-use interface in which to do this, ensuring successful execution of the project. So, here we have the File menu. This contains all of your basic functions, creating a new project, saving the project, printing, and so on. To the right of the File menu is a ribbon-style series of tabs: Home, Edit, View, Project, Action, and Layout, that organize the various properties and tools of the software. On the left side of the screen, we have the Entity Identification Library. This is where you go to get the various components that make up a project. Starting with People, the modeler has all of the types of people who frequently occur in projects: manager, employee, team lead, customer, client, and so forth. You can, of course, create any type of person you need, should the desired person not be listed here. The Communications section lists the various methods of communication one might use to get a point across, whether it be a multimedia presentation or a mere conversation. Applications are the various functions to be performed within the project. Communication links represent the flow of communication between entities, one-way, two-way, and so forth. The Analysis section allows you to represent the more abstract parts of the project. You can show a problem, feedback, error, anything one might run into when executing a project. The Communication Signals section allows you to further customize your communication, color-coding it so as to be easily understood at a glance. Other communication elements allow you to bring other data into the project should you need to reference particular aspects of your various entities, while labels help to clarify the properties of the flow of communication between entities. Finally, Area and Location is simply used to represent the actual location of the action. Once a project has been mapped out, the Model view over here on the right allows you to look at the various aspects of the project that you might want to highlight. If there's something you want to specifically address within the project, you'll find that here. Now, let's set up an actual model. First, we'll go over to the library and drag an application into the workspace. Of course, someone's going to have to execute the application, so we'll go into the People section and grab a manager. We'll name this guy Pete David. There he is. He'll be managing an employee, which is this guy, Mike Thompson. So that's all happening in the main project diagram view. Now we'll go into the problem statement view to create a problem within the project. Now, any sort of communication may be applied between Pete and Mike to represent to the viewer accurately and in detail the nature of their relationship. While you can get fairly detailed with this, the Interactive Application Modeler is the most basic version of this software. Its capabilities are further expanded in the Interactive Project Modeling and Interactive Project Manager versions. Check out our other videos for more on those.